Hello and welcome to Making Mindfulness Fun. I'm Isabelle and today I'm going to guide you through a really quick 10-minute grounding exercise to help you guys calm down, be centered, and live with less anxiety today. This exercise is meant for families, kids, teens, it's meant for everyone. So I encourage you all to just embrace your inner child and get on your mat, get outside, and enjoy this practice. Before we start though, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a single one of my exercises that I'm putting out, because I'm going to try to put one out every day. We'll see how that goes, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and for this exercise, for this grounding exercise, you're going to need to take a step outside and get barefoot, alright? So find a space that is clear where you can move around, whether it's in the grass, maybe you go to the beach, maybe you're just on your front patio, wherever. Just get outside, take off your shoes, be barefoot, and enjoy. So to start this practice, this practice is for grounding, and grounding is a really important thing because it helps us be more present. And grounding is heavily tied to, if you're familiar with the chakras, the root chakra. The root chakra controls our sense of grounding, and it controls our primal needs, and it's the first chakra we have to take care of. So this exercise will help you a lot so that you can access all of your other chakras so that you can live more balanced and in alignment. For this specific exercise, we're going to be doing, I'm going to introduce you guys to some yoga specifically, and so make sure you have space to move around, and we're going to cover the 3 different warriors. So this will be great as an introduction to yoga if you're not familiar with yoga, and if you're familiar with yoga, you'll enjoy it as well. So go ahead and get yourself some space to stand back and follow along. So go ahead and just stand with your feet firmly planted on the ground and close your eyes. Standing tall, feet in the ground, hands by your sides, by your hips, closing your eyes. This is Tadasana. Tadasana pose. And I want you to just focus all your attention on the ground beneath your bare feet. Notice the earth beneath your feet and how it feels. And as you focus on the ground beneath your feet, I want you to imagine as well the color red. This is the color of our root chakra. It is located at our tailbone. So focus on the ground beneath your feet and imagine that color red. And feel how grounded to the earth you feel. Feel how supportive the earth feels. Taking slow breaths to see if you can calm down more so you're fully centered in your practice. Not worried about what's happening around you, or if you're outside, other people looking at you. Just focus on the ground beneath your feet. Maybe you wiggle your toes. Imagine it as if you had invisible roots that go from the bottoms of your feet all the way down to the center of the earth, that keep you grounded to this earth for your entire life. Feel their support. Good. Take a deep breath in and let it out your mouth and relax. Great. When you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Let's get a little bit of movement and a little bit of yoga in. So take a deep breath in, and you're going to circle your arms up overhead, reaching for the sky. And exhale, go ahead and touch your toes. Relax fully. Relax your neck. Good. Take a deep breath in. And then stepping back into downward facing dog. If you've watched previous videos, you'll know this pose already. But if you don't, then you're just making a nice step your right hand in between, your right foot in between your hands. Good. Go ahead and reach your arms up, standing on the back ball of your foot, and you're planted in your front right foot. And breathe in. This is crescent lunge. And keep imagining as you stand here, firmly planted in the ground. Imagine those roots still reaching to the center of the earth, keeping you safe, keeping you grounded. Great. Keep staying here and keep visualizing those roots. In crescent lunge, you want your back leg straight, and you're on the back of your foot, you're on the tip of your foot, and your front leg is bent. Good. Take one more deep breath in. And breathe out and place your hands back on the ground. Step that right foot back again to down dog. Taking deep breaths here, staying relaxed. Great. On your next breath in, we're going to lift the other leg and do the same thing on the other side. So breathe in, lift your left leg up, give it a little shake, and exhale, step your left foot in between your hands, staying on the back ball of your foot, encircling your arms up, standing tall, inhale, crescent lunge. Awesome. You guys are yogi masters already. I just know it. I don't even see you guys, but I just know. Keep imagining those roots reaching down into the earth and feel grounded. Bring all your awareness to how the ground beneath your feet feels. This is your practice for today. Good. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. Bring your hands to your heart. Good. Staying in this position, take your back right foot and place it on the ground. And we're going to open our hips up and face your back foot to the side with your front foot still facing forward. Arms go out to the side. This is warrior 2. So once again, your front left foot is facing forward, the same direction your arms are going, and your back right foot is facing out to the side, and your hips are facing to the side as well. Holding your arms out, feel balanced, and take a deep breath in. Exhale, breathe out. Feel your groundedness. Keep your awareness in your feet. Visualize that red coming from your tailbone. Awesome. Take one more deep breath in. And exhale, spin your arms to the ground, planting your hands firmly, and stepping your foot back again for down dog. Great. We're going to do that again on the other side. So inhale, lift your right leg up. And exhale, you're going to step it forward, so you're in the low lunge. Inhale, circle your arms up. You're in that crescent lunge. Still on the ball of your foot. And breathe out. Hands to heart. Breathing calmly. Inhale, deep breath in. And exhale, take your back left foot, plant it on the ground. Keep your right foot where it is. Reach your arms out in front of you, so you're as if you're balancing. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, breathe out. So your back left foot is still pointing to the side. Your hips are pointing to the side. And your front right foot is still facing forward. Warrior 2. Breathe slow here and keep focusing on your feet. Focus on the ground beneath your feet in a sense of safety and groundedness. Good. One more breath here. Exhale, let it out your mouth. Awesome. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Cartwheel your hands to the floor so your hands are firmly planted. And step your back foot forward to meet your feet at the front. Bow forward, forward fold. Relax. Close your eyes for a minute and picture that red at your tailbone again. Really feel the ground beneath your feet. And repeat the mantra, I am present. I am present in this moment. I am present in the now. Good. Close your eyes and slowly you're going to straighten your back. Circle your arms up, standing tall. Inhale, hands meet at the top. And exhale, guide your hands to your heart in prayer position. Good. Take one more deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale, let it out your mouth with a audible ha. Good. Focus one more moment at the ground beneath your feet. Feel how supported you are by the earth, by yourself, by the universe, by it all. Repeat your mantra, I am present. I am here. Focus one last moment on your bare feet connected to the earth. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Good. Welcome back to reality. I hope you still feel grounded. I hope you feel calmer than before, and I hope this intro to mind yoga was helpful for you, and I will be definitely using more yoga in future videos, so now you have a quick touch on what that'll be. I'm super glad that you guys showed up today and are watching this video. I hope you feel more grounded afterwards. Remember that you guys can use this video anytime, and you can use this practice anytime you feel anxiety come up, anytime you feel stressed, anytime you feel that you just need to reconnect with your surroundings. It's a super powerful practice, and being barefoot is so good for our physical health. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you liked it and if you enjoyed it and what you want to see next on making mindfulness fun, and I will be sure to read your comments and scheme up exercise to do with that. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Namaste.